So hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can use Start Replay Buffer in OBS. It's very easy. What you have to do, you have to just go to your setting option, and then you have to go to your output option, and then you have to go to your replay buffer option, sorry, and then you have to enable a replay buffer. You can put any time like you want, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You can set anything. For me, I set 2 minutes 120 seconds, and then you have to press OK. And then what you have to do, you have to click on your hotkeys, and then what you have to do, you have to search for replay buffer. There is a replay buffer option, and you will see there is an option of save replay buffer. So you have to assign a key. I already assigned the key. What you have to do, you have to just click on this one, and you have to just press the key that you want to assign. I will recommend you to just assign the keys that are closer to your hands. Like if you're playing game, then WASD is the main up and down that thing. Then I will recommend you to use anything closer to your hand, so it's easier for you to just click on that and you will get your recording like that. So just select on this and you will set your key, and then you have to press OK. So what will happen now, whenever you start your start replay buffer, what it does, like it will be recording your full gameplay live stream in the background, and when you click that specific button that you set on the replay buffer, what will happen, like it will just record the before 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever you set, it will just record that portion. So it will save your disk space, and it is very useful for that, and you can use this thing. So I think it will be helpful for you. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.